Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for San Francisco. I'm here on the 7th floor of 50 Lansing. This is a wonderful building in Rincon Hill. Notice residential storage, which this unit does have storage. And I'm very happy to be sharing with you Unit 706. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. As you can see in the corner of the building. And let's come on in. All right, we'll just enter the door and we're greeted by this foyer area with a super large coat closet. So as you can see, there's paint on the shelf there because the owner just painted the whole entire property. So it's this really beautiful modern white. Guest bathroom is right there. And here we enter into the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. So really spacious, tall ceilings there, and then you have great views of the surrounding buildings out the windows. So lots of counter space, stainless refrigerator, appliances, gas range, and then of course you have dishwasher and double sink garbage disposal. So you have also here bar stool, bar seating, which makes it really nice if you want to entertain and have friends over. There's accent lighting just on top there. All right, let's go into the second bedroom first, and then I'll share the primary bedroom next. Bottom-up blinds right there, looking out. This is, I want to point out, this is brand new carpeting. Very tall ceilings, and then closet space. You have 2 closets right there and right here. Both bedrooms are very large, so which makes it really nice. Now, this is not only the guest bathroom, but this is also can be an ensuite bath for this 1 bedroom too, if you just close this door. And this bathroom has tub shower combination, tile backsplash, and then tile floors. All right, coming around, there's the coat closet as you enter the unit, kitchen on the right, and that's the heater right there on the left, if you were wondering. And then we enter a very large room. This is the primary bedroom. As you can see, those are really nice blinds to keep the light out if you so desire. And now, the difference between one of the differences between the primary and the secondary bedrooms are these closets. Look at how big this closet is. That's a walk-in closet on this side, and another walk-in closet. Hey, that must be the painters. Walk-in closet there. All right, entering into the bathroom, double sinks, teardrop lamps, tub, again, tile backsplash, subway tile backsplash, and you have a separate shower here, and of course a toilet. Wouldn't be a bathroom without one of those, would it? So anyway, Lansing has a parking available, and then also a wonderful rooftop deck to enjoy. And again, you're very centrally located, and if you're a commuter, the highway is literally a half a block away. So it makes it really easy to get out of the city from this location. Again, beautiful units. If you're interested, see the links below. There's links for open houses, more information, and how to contact the agent below. So take a look at that, click on it. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. All right, cheers, bye-bye.